Alright, watch me now. On your mark. Get set. Go. Let's go. I need a helper. So we're going to do what? I would need some music to the theme, selector. Don't hold your cards. Wait a second, let me start yet, Delhi. Alright. Wait, I'm not crying yet. Come on to the line now so people can see. Come right here, so come in now. Do it fast, do it lively, right here. Alright. Next, are we have to eat? I'm gonna blow the card yet, miss. I'm here and tell us the position. Right here, sir. Right here. Gentlemen. Let me see right in here. Alright? No. So look here, this is on your mark. Watch me now. So, watch that shit. Take up the can here, them also. Everything. So, underneath some judges. Alright, watch me now. On your mark. Get set. Go. Give me some music. And make sure I say everything clean. But if you are talk when you go. This is Corn Fest 2019. We cannot have a Corn Festival and nobody not eat no corn.
Hurry up!
Yeah, waste corn. You can't go say lady in the picture, you know, sometimes she last get left on the table. Alright, yes, Delhi, where my judges are to make sure nobody and drop no corn kernel coming round, you know. So they all waste some on purpose. I want a clean corn eating competition. Lucky. So most of the roast card we did them. Eh?
Yes, Cousin!
Them lucky at the roast card. Delhi, I need you to come back with those plates. The man just nice and easy. So, nobody finished one side yet? No, sir. It's a man that like to come to mash everybody part. No, sir. Eh? One big one. It's time you take a talk, just finish your card, you know. Oh God, the lady don't like she boss. The card when she never put in her sack, just so big here from today. Anybody come down here and criticize the content, but I never want in at the competition. The spectators, you know, don't have no say. Alright. We're the winner. Everybody else, we're not about that choke. It's alright. This why not easy, you know. This why say, let me steal the bottom of the corn. Alright, this why you. One of the footballers.